Hello and welcome back to the RAW series of game development using GameMaker. So I'm not going to muck around with this one, and I have no idea if this is going to work. But basically, I'm just going to run through it. We're going to create a new room. So we're going to create a new room. This room is going to be room. I'm just going to initiate. Okay, this is going to be a starting room. So how do I do this? Room initiate. If we no, put that at the top. There we go. So what we're going to do here is anything we need to set up for our game to initialize before we start playing the game. So yeah, so I don't even know what I want in here right now. But basically, we've got this room initiate. First thing what we want to do is move to room 1, because if I play right now, as you'll be about to see, it's not going to do anything. It's just going to sit there. So it's a black screen. Okay, but on start, if we go creation code, so we can go to the creation code inside this room, and we'll say room next, is it? And then room next. I think that should actually just work. So room equals room next, or room. So go to next. Let's go to this one. Okay, so that's all we're going to do. So if I play now, it should go straight to the next room, which will be room level 1. Oh, we get this error. So unknown function argument, incorrect type, expecting a number. Room will equal. So maybe I just do this one. Sorry, rather than say room equals room next, we just run a room go to next. And then as you can see, this game starts and we're in here. Now, all I really want to do is make it clear that you can do anything inside this now. So before we go to room next, so we'd say start finish. Property, for example. So what you can, or we could turn this into an object actually. We can go object initialize, still have room initiate, initialize. And I'm Australian, I use S rather than Z. Funnily enough. Oh, that was weird. Just got rid of all my comments. Either way, so if we go to what I'm going to do now is just add some font. So if we go create, I'm going to create a font. Where's font? Here it is. So in here we've got a font. We're going to make this let's see, C. Anyone have any favorite fonts around? Let's see, maybe not that one. That one's kind of okay. A mini Quorum. Just trying to think what font I would normally use amongst everything. Let's just use that anyway. So we got that. We want to call this FNT game. So font game, a game font. And then with that, we just want to basically want to make everything use this game font. So hopefully, which I could be wrong, if I go back to Initialise, here, like I said, it could be wrong, but we might be able to go draw, set, font, bracket. Yeah, so, if this doesn't work, it'll be because we need to do this within our draw parameter within an object, for example. So yeah, I don't think that works. See our font up here, it's always same font. So what we can do is just for now, if we go to our object player and go to our draw GUI, and then we can say here, should be able to say draw set font game. We can set the color, etc. But if we do that for now, hopefully this font comes up like this. So hit play. And there you go. We've changed our font. See how it works. Even when you hover over stuff now, look, the font's a lot bigger. Yeah, this is a little improvement. And it'll be interesting to just touch on this one. A couple of 5 minutes, and yeah, there you have it. The room initialize is handy too. You know, for game saves or loading in stuff, etc. So anyway, we're going to continue on working with the game in the next episode. For now, I'll see you all later. Goodbye.